Good morning and welcome to the Morning Sprint. I'm Brittany Weir, bringing you some of the top stories of the day. As always, questions, comments, put those in the comment section below. We're streaming live on Facebook, YouTube, and on our website, so I'll be checking all those platforms for any comments. We're going to start this morning with new information coming from the House. They passed a new gun control bill in response to the numerous mass shootings across the country in recent weeks. Well, one of the new measures is the raising of the minimum age to purchase a semi-automatic rifle from 18 to 21 years old. The Protecting Our Kids Act would ban large capacity ammunition feeding devices and then toughen penalties for gun trafficking and straw purchases. It also would establish residential gun storage rules with criminal penalties for violations. The legislative package passed in a 223 to 204 vote. Again, this is the House that passed this new gun control bill, and this is a story we will continue to follow and keep you updated on our website at WSLS.com. And we all know now to call 911 when we need help. Let me get the right video for you right there. 1 second. Sorry about that. Let's see, there we go. All right, so we all know to call 911 when we need help, but that's not always the case for National Suicide Hotline. And starting on July 16th, people in crisis will be able to use just 3 simple numbers. This is 988. Local mental health advocates hope that will help them improve treatment plans while also removing the stigma behind mental health.
Suicide prevention can be scary to say. Being able to say I'm calling 988 for some assistance, I think will decrease some of the stigma.
And the National Suicide Hotline has been around for nearly 2 decades, but just to kind of restate, this is starting on July 16th, and if you're someone who needs help, you can easily dial just 988 to get that help that you need. All right, and then the deadline to find new apartments is quickly approaching for people who currently live at English Garden Apartments in Roanoke. Well, the company that bought the complex says they have plans for major renovations, which would make it unsafe for residents to continue living there. Out of the 100 units at English Gardens, 47 are still occupied, and residents were told back in March that they would have to move out at the end of June before renovations are set to begin. The new company, Gardens Inn LLC, says they are working with residents to help with the move-out process. And some people who live there say they're still looking for a new place to live. But if people don't move out by the end of June, they are told that they could face fines and legal trouble. Again, this is a story we've been following closely, and we do have the full article available for you on our website and more of what residents had to say about this move out process. And Roanoke police and recruits will celebrate the Special Olympics with a torch run at 2 p.m. The 2.5-mile run on the Greenway starts from the small parking lot of Wasena Park and ends at Smith Park. It is open to the public, and yesterday Salem police kicked off the event on West Main Street while Roanoke City deputies traveled down Melrose Avenue. And you can see some of that footage right there on your screen. Well, each year, agencies from across the Commonwealth run, walk, and bike nearly 2,000 miles, raising thousands of dollars.
Getting together with the state police, the athletes, and running through the city so everybody can see the tradition and the commitment between law enforcement and the Special Olympics. This is a great way to raise money for the athletes and to showcase the athletes.
I think any time that we can support children and young adults and elevate them, I think it's a good thing, particularly the children that compete in Special Olympics. Gives them a sense of accomplishment
and the torch run started in the 80s and involves more than 2,000 law enforcement from across the Commonwealth. This is a story that we love to cover and happy to see it happening in our region, and all just the help and the torch runs that they are doing in support of the Special Olympics. And that's another story where we have the full article available for you on our website at WSLS.com. As always, if you have any story ideas you'd like to share with us or anything you'd like to see us cover, please email us at news@WSLS.com. I'm going to take a second, see any comments coming through. There's a couple good morning comments coming in. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and good morning to you as well. I hope you're enjoying this Thursday. Have a good start to your Thursday. Those are all the comments I see right now, but as always, like I said, any comments, questions, feel free to write those in as I'm going through this live stream in the morning, and make sure to tune in every single morning at 9 a.m. for the morning sprint.